Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek and in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to create custom links in WordPress menus. A custom link can be internal or external and added only to your header or footer WordPress menu. On my website alekonline.com I have links to 4 pages and a button inside the header menu and links to 5 pages within my footer menu. In this tutorial, I will add the same custom link to my YouTube channel to my header and footer menus. To do that, I will go back to my dashboard and hover over Appearance and select Menus. When the Menus page opens, select the menu you want to edit from the drop-down menu and click Select. On the left, click the down arrow in the Custom Links section. I will paste the link to my YouTube channel inside the URL box. In the link text box, you can enter whatever you want your custom link to be called. I will write YouTube and click this button to add it to the header menu. The YouTube custom link will be added, and if you hover over it, left-click it, you can move it to the desired position inside your menu. I will move it to the first position, release it to be the first on the left in my header menu. I will save this change, and if I go back to my home page, reload it, the custom YouTube link will show up inside my header menu as first on the left. Creating a custom link inside the footer menu is very similar to the previous one. All you need to do is to go back to the menus page, select the footer menu, and repeat the process of adding the custom link. Again, I will paste the link to my YouTube channel in the URL box, enter YouTube inside the link text box, and add it to the menu. This time I will leave it where it is and save the changes. If I go back to my home page, scroll down, and reload it, the YouTube custom link will appear as the first link from the right in the footer menu. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to create custom links in WordPress menus. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like it and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.